Hi everyone, it's Pumpkins Girl 142. Oops. There. It's Pumpkins Girl 142, and I just wanted to show you all the snow outside. Look at that. And I'll show you the deck. It's really deep there. Well, my dog's out there right now, but she even wants to come in. Yeah. And look how deep it is outside. It's like so deep. I'll just let her in. Okay. See? Look how deep that is. Earlier today it was like a really blizzard. And then up there you can see that there's like, yeah. So, that's all I wanted to say, and please subscribe.